Hi, my name's Mike, and if you're anything like me, you like summer. You like the outdoors. Mostly, you like grilling. I like grilling. You know what I hate? Having to pile the dirty charcoal.
Hey, everybody's here. How soon will the steaks be ready?
About 40 minutes, babe.
Hey, you like my new shirt?
Looks great on you.
Thanks.
You know what else I hate? Lighter fluid. It smells, it's dangerous to my eyebrows, and it takes forever to soak in. Then when the grill is finally ready to light, you have to wait some more. Oh, one more thing I hate. Tasting lighter fluid in my meat. So yeah, if you're anything like me, you want your friends to think you're a 5-star chef. So check this out. Let's talk about this little gem I found the other day, the new Quick Start grill. Seriously, this thing has made me fall in love with summer all over again. Mostly. The new Quick Start grill ignites charcoal in less than 6 minutes, heating to 950 degrees Fahrenheit for some zippity quick heat. The cool thing is, it puts out the charcoal when you're finished cooking, so I never have to touch it. This thing is super easy to use. Just pour on the charcoal without getting your hands filthy, then plug it in. 6 to 7 minutes later, unplug it and throw on the meats. Guys, steaks will be ready in 10 minutes. See, now I'm pretty much a grill master. I get to actually enjoy grilling without having to worry about getting the thing lit. Done to perfection. Ah yes, perfect summer grilling. My days of singed eyebrows and disgusting hands are long over, and yours can be too. Get your Quick Start grill today. It's the best way to quickly and deliciously get your grill skills on this summer.